There is a calm forming where your fear used to live, a subtle strength, a quiet certainty, a feeling you can't explain, but you can't ignore either. This is your alignment, not the loud kind that demands your attention, but the soft kind that rearranges your path without asking for permission. You've struggled with money, stability, and direction longer than you admit. But now the energy around you is shifting you toward abundance in a way that feels natural, not forced. Wealth enters your life when your spirit stops shrinking around the idea of receiving. And this season, you are opening. You are releasing beliefs that kept you small. You are allowing yourself to want more without feeling guilty for it. This Christmas energy is not about gifts. It's about alignment, the kind that whispers, your hands are meant to hold more than struggle. Your next chapter brings ease, clarity, and the kind of wealth that supports your soul. Let it come. You're finally ready.